Today we are going to see cascaded 15 level multi-level inverter. This is the driver transformer, this is the power transformer. This driver transformer is used to given to the supply of these driver boards, and this is the peak controller board. This peak controller board is used for generate the PWM pulse, and this PWM pulses is given to the input of the driver board, and this driver board is mainly used for isolate and amplify the input signals. This is the main circuit of this cascaded multi-level inverter, and this power transformer is connected to this 3 PPT connectors. Inverter 1, this is the inverter 2, this is the inverter 3. These 3 inverters are connected in cascaded and also connected in the resistive load. Driver board pulses is applied to these devices, and output is shown in DSO. Now I will show the output waveform of the cascaded multi-level. This is the 15 level of cascaded multi-level inverter. Thanks for watching this